Hey, my name is Grave St.Claire, and today we have made a lunar silkwing from
Wings of Fire.
outfit. Did you think I'd be able to do it?
No.
You could also just use this to make any dragon. It doesn't really matter. Dragons kind of all look the same, don't they?
And here's what you'll need.
Hit my knee. Did I throw the glue? What happened to the glue? Here's the plan. A big giant tail attached at the waist. This is gonna be fabric sewn together, stuffed with stuffing. Then we're gonna make the wings. This is gonna be EVA foam glued together, covered in fabric. And then we're going to make the headdress, which I think is EVA foam. I don't know how we're gonna do it. But let's start with that one. So when's this due?
Tuesday.
This Tuesday? Like, today's Sunday? First we make the skeleton of the mask that everything is going to attach to. That there is going to be the nose bit. Does that make sense? Can you see? Can you see? Looks good. Now we just glue that all together. What are we going to be using?
Contact adhesive.
Let's glue. Where are you going?
Home.
Huh?
I'm going home. See ya, I've got to go to a play date.
I guess I'm doing this by myself now.
Don't mess this up, I'm counting on you.
I then continued alone, gluing and making horns. Gluing 3 layers per horn, unless you want really skinny horns, then just use 1 layer. I also attached a headband thing that the horns attach to. I did this alone. Did I mention I'm doing this alone? Okay, I'm too sad. Let's change up the situation. I'm now just going to jump straight to wings. We'll come back to the mask later. I haven't made wings before, but here's what I'm thinking. Foam attached to the back, the other way, like this. But then glue the fabric between the bits of foam. Fabric out here, swing it down there. Glue it all together, and then we will see how that looks. Fingers crossed it holds its own weight. I think that is going to work very well. Okay, we just need to make 4 more of these, another smaller one and 2 big ones. And also, see these edges, very rough. I bought a tool to fix it. We're gonna do that. Let's do these. Let's make some wings. Party, party, party. This is going to be the big wing. Start there, come up, little angle, and then we'll get a second piece attached to it, and then flop out there, and then all in here. Yeah, that's going to work. That is going to work. We have a problem. A floppy wing problem. Dancing at the club, wing flops over. Oh, no good. I think even if we add 2 of them together, still flops.
Please don't let me down. Grave, please make me the best costume you've ever made. Grave, please don't let me down.
Check. I've had an idea. We are going to use plant stakes. There we go. An extra bit of rigidity all the way from there to there. Cut out some channels for the stick to lie in, and Bob's your uncle. Choice as we are done. That is going to work. Let's do it some more. Also, please like and subscribe. We now glue it all together. I'm gonna glue it together, and I'm not gonna let down my first cousin. Once removed, I did the math thing and figured it out. It's confusing. Now we glue.
I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings.
We are rolling now. Okay, we've got the wings done. Now we need to do the skin part of the helmet skeleton thing. So I haven't got paper, so we'll just sketch it out on an old paper supermarket bag.
Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yeah.
And now we've got the skin pinned to the shell. We need to draw around the inside so we know where to glue. And then gently but firmly, I press the two together. And that there is what it looks like. I've added like a little beaky mouth thing right there. Wrapped it around the side. And now we are nearly ready. But I've got a toy. Wow. I brought a Dremel thingy. I don't know. We are going to use this to shave down the edges so everything doesn't look square. Also on the wings. So let's get this going. I'm excited. I've never used one. Speed test. Yeah, don't like that. Safety first. Oh, look at that. So I'm now going to do that with the horns gently, slowly. Okay, mate. Okay, calm down. Up. It's very, very messy. You know what you probably could do? Just shave it down first. Bit above my pay grade, if you know what I mean. I'm winking. I don't know if you can see in the goggles, but I'm winking. Yep, just as I thought. A lot quieter and easier. But like my 13-year-old report card says, I am unwilling to learn. So I carried on with my new toy. That is over, thank goodness. I did not enjoy that. Now, time to paint, but first, glue these down like this. And then these ones going to come up a little bit. We're adding a little block thing. And then we'll add a couple more layers just to really lock it down in there. I also did make a mistake. Before you glue it all together, probably best to paint it. I had to paint this around the cloth. Just lucky that the spray paint matches the cloth. Honestly, bad decision. Great, now I think it's time to sew. Let's make a tail. I cut out a long triangle, added some felt spikes that I sew between the seam, unpicked the sewing I had just done because I did it incorrectly, flip it inside out, jam some stuffing into it, sew the hole closed, make a tiny belt that doesn't fit an adult, and then hand sew it all together. I think we're done. Fully completed tail. How good does that look? I couldn't figure out how to do this on a machine, so I hand stitched this. It's not pretty. No one's saying that, but I think that will do the job. Also, in the middle of the night, I cut out eye holes. And the wings, I glued some straps on here. I realized I didn't film any of this, so here's me remembering and filming it on my iPhone.
Ooh la la.
Ring-a-ding-ding! Tuesday morning, got it done. I have finished in time. Hello, come in, I've got your thing. Are you excited? Face the camera. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, blindfold you. 3, 2, all of my hard work and sleepless nights comes down to this. Am I nervous? Yes, I'm very nervous. 3, 2, 1, first time seeing it, go.
Wow.
How do you like it?
It's really cool.
Oh, I forgot to paint the wings. Oh, those things on the wings. Sorry, stop looking. We've got to paint it. So we made some stencils, sprayed some paint, dropped a little bit of glitter, spray painted the helmet. I don't know why I'm doing it off screen. And we are done! Yes! How good does this all look? Look at the mask. Look at the wings. Who is the outfit of?
Luna.
From?
Wings of Fire.
Yes, of course it is. Look how good. Oh, what's that? Do you hear that?
I can't hear anything.
That's the sound of the Halloween school disco party time. Thank you for watching. My name is St.Claire. Stick around, watch another one. It would really help me out. Thank you. I love you. You're amazing. Go ahead, make something yourself. Honestly, it's quite easy to do. Have a wonderful day.